Out with the old, in with the new. I got another Harbor Freight Badland ZXR 3500, just because it's one of the best winches I've ever ran, and they have the best return policy. They're gonna exchange it. Winch is perfectly fine. Snap the cable. Don't feel like messing with it. Why not just replace the winch? We got the old one out. As you can see, it's pretty chewed up. I got pulled out pretty hard thanks to the crazy Honda guy, my cousin. Pulled me all the way back to the truck. Alright, now I got it installed. The tools you'll need, these are your factory nuts and bolts. It's a T40, and the nut on the back is a locking nut, so you'll need a 13 on the back of it. And you'll need a 10mm right here for your connections. And the bottom of the winch to mount it, you'll need a 13mm, but that's it. All right, now let's see if it works. Since I installed a winch before this one, I'm just replacing it because of the cable. All my connections and stuff should be good, so I just mounted the winch. So that saved me a lot of time. Let's see. Oh yeah, I gotta have the power on. Oh yeah. As y'all seen, she works. Now, I don't have one single bad thing to say about these winches. They're great winches. That's all I've ever ran. This will be my, let's see, the one I just put on will be my 5th Harbor Freight winch, just because I used to buy and sell a lot. But yeah, my 5th winch, never had one single bit of trouble. This is the first thing that's ever happened, and that's completely my fault for my cousin yanking on me like out of a hole. That's gonna happen. Winch still works perfectly fine. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all didn't catch the sinking video, go check it out. I've had these winches in water, every single one of them, fully submerged. Never had a bit of issues out of them. Thank y'all.